Give me the green light like John Legend. I wrote in the sex, I'm a force to be reckoned with. Like Ralph, I'm wrecking shit. One day I'ma be on the jet with this. Where's Keisha, cause I'm heaven sent. I got power like a 50 cent. I'm more certified than a president. Man, I'm telling you, I'm big stepping, big flex. Goddamn, I'm feeling like Hercules. Niggas don't say I'm not from Earth. That nigga must be from Mercury. I'm the man with that plan. Next year, my bitch gon' be on demand. My shit stay crack, it's contraband. Only fans gon' understand, get a helping hand. I'm the main man, Batman, and you niggas Robins. Ayy, they like how is he winning the race at that pace when he's only jogging? Ayy, I used to flex in the Charger, now I'm making a cut like a barber. Ayy, my dreams get close, not farther. Ayy, trying to give me advice.
What is up, YouTube? RemixedCereal here, back with another video. As you can tell, I'm super excited because I just bought two really cool mods that I was actually able to do by myself in my garage. As you can tell from the title of the video, one of the mods are the European taillights for the S550 Mustang, and the second one is the gloss black Decklid the gloss black Decklid trunk that removes the pony emblem and just makes it blank. I never really liked the Mustang pony on the back because I just really thought that it kind of gave away that it was a V6 and just made the car look really stock and really boring. So without further ado, let me turn the camera around and show you the outcome of this. Again, this is one of my favorite mods I've already done to the car, and this is like the beginning of me transforming this car into something great and something very unique. So let me go ahead and show you what I did. One of the things I do like about this car is the styling, but the things that I really don't like about this car, or the area that I have never really been satisfied with the EcoBoost Mustangs, the base GTs, and the base V6 Mustangs, is that the back of the car always looks, it could be like a lot more to be desired, you know. For example, while I'm not a fan of this this bumper here, the bottom piece is a body color to the rest of the car. So one of the things I definitely plan on doing is actually painting or plastic dipping this bottom piece of the Mustang, just to make this bottom piece pop a little bit more. I think that if I paint the bottom, if I paint the bottom of this diffuser part here gloss black, I think it really make the car pop a little bit more. Another thing that I do want to get rid of is this trunk spoiler right here. It's small, it's tiny, it's pathetic, and it doesn't do anything. It just gets in the way. One of the things I do like about it though is it does have pre-existing holes, so I can replace the spoiler. So I do have a spoiler coming in, and I do have some plastic dip coming in for this bottom piece. I'm probably going to be ordering some shorty headers for the vehicle as well really soon. One more thing I have coming in the mail is an emblem to put right here. I'm gonna see if I can get a picture of it or something like that, and more importantly, I'm gonna see if I can get a before and after picture of the Decklid gloss black and the white taillights. One of the side effects actually to having the white taillights is I wasn't a fan of these wheels here, but with the white taillights, the European style taillights, I'm actually kind of digging the wheels. I don't know if it's just me. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comment section below. But I'm actually really liking this, the taillights and the wheels. I'm actually probably gonna keep these wheels. I may get them dipped gloss black or something like that, or maybe get them powder coated or something like that. But one thing is for certain, I will be lowering the vehicle as well. Maybe about like an inch or two. Maybe I'll lower it. But I mean, man, what a transformation for this car already. The exhaust tips I don't really like. I don't like that as much. I don't like the exhaust tips that much either. They're small and lame. So the rear end of this car is going to be completely redone by the time I'm done with it. But yeah, I'm going to put some before and after pictures up for you guys. I'm loving this car already. I love the power. I can't wait to do a full review for you guys. But yeah, thank you for tuning in to this video. One more thing, the Decklid and the taillights, I will link a video down below. I believe it's American Muscle that has a tutorial on how to remove it and how to put the new taillights in. Very simple, very easy. If an idiot like me can do it, then you can too in your garage. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. There's a lot going on in my personal life right now. A lot of my family members aren't feeling that great. But like always, I will always stay positive. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. And like I always say, stay positive.
Go ahead and be a little positive. I rehearse my songs every day, it's so repetitive. I don't battle rap, but I ain't gon' lie, I'm competitive. I am the competition, I follow my intuition. Back then, all I did was wishing, that time is really ticking. I saw that sack, you know a nigga got to run it. I am the king, and your bitch kingdom.